Welcome, welcome. We're here at the University of Tokyo, the Ongo campus, and my name is Dr. Angel Acosta, and I'm just excited to take a walk with you and guide you and explain and explore this notion of contemplative leadership. So just inviting you to walk with me, journey with me, and we'll explore contemplative leadership together. So part of what's important to understand is that we're living in one of the most rapidly evolving societies and historical moments in human history. So with that come a variety of challenges, a variety of dilemmas, conundrums. And in the context of leadership, more and more, we need more and more approaches and theories that allow us to make sense of the world, that allow us to lead our organizations, that allow us to inspire the next generation. And as many of you know, we are experiencing multiple challenges. Some scholars might call it the polycrisis. This idea that we are experiencing things like climate change, political polarization, especially in the United States, social and economic instability, rapid technological growth, and so much more. I tend to see them as maybe opportunities, multiple opportunities to express ourselves and our decision making. So this notion of contemplative leadership comes at a really opportune moment, one that allows us to slow down and to take stock, to self-reflect. So I'd love to, across the next 3 videos, I'd love to walk you through this idea of contemplative leadership.